I had a video that made me $437.69. Here's exactly why and how you can too. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sin. So the goal of today's video is to explain how to make smarter, high-paying videos even if you're a small content creator. Like I said earlier, this video made me $437.69 from just a few thousand views. And no, I'm not a huge creator and I don't get 100K views a day, but I'm going to show you exactly why this video paid me more than 10 of my other videos combined. Listen to this. A few months ago, I posted a video just like I always do, hoping maybe it would hit a few hundred views or so or whatever. I didn't expect much now, but then when I checked my YouTube studio and saw this, and I was like, wait, what? Okay, Sin. But here's the wild part. The video didn't go viral. It only got 13,000 views, but the RPM was over $30. Now, most creators are out here making between $2 to $4 per thousand views. This video made me $32 per 1,000 views. Now, before we get going, I want to give a special shout out to this Jimmy Choo, okay? The reason why I'm giving this Jimmy Choo a shout out is because I know for a fact this is the perfume I had on that day that I shot that video. I don't know. I guess I was feeling really good, feeling energized, and then this super Jimmy Choo smell just really made me feel like, oh yeah. And I worked that video. Jimmy Choo, shout out to you. Okay, back to business. Here's why I feel like this video did good. I feel like it was the topic. Topics like money, YouTube growth, and content strategies, those type of videos attract high-paying advertisers. I truly feel like videos that are particularly about money and how to get money, how to grow money, those attract higher views, more watch time, and all that equals better pay because people are more tuned in on how to get money. The way the economy is right now, a lot of people are Googling in how to get money, That's a trending topic. So when they type that in, a whole bunch of videos come up. They're going to watch it all the way through because they're trying to figure out how to get their money. So after checking my analytics, it made me realize something. It's not about how many views you get, but what kind of views you get. So if you're a small creator trying to make money on YouTube, here's what I'll do differently. Stop chasing viral videos. Start creating content that help people solve something. You have to find something that answers a question, something that'll make a person watch your video all the way. What value are they getting from your video? So make sure that your video is answering a question, solving a problem. Those videos do great. The watch time is great. The ad revenue is great. It's great. I'm sharing this because most small creators never hear stuff like this. You think you need 100K subscribers to make money, and you don't. You just need one smart video. So stop playing small, plan better videos, think like a business, and trust me, you're closer than you think. Let me throw this in as well. Your videos can always do good as long as you're bringing value, as long as you're hooking your viewer as soon as they click on that thumbnail. As I always tell you, your thumbnail is your introduction. Once they click on that, you need to come in, you need to grab them immediately. You know our attention spans are getting weaker and weaker by the day. So if you don't grab them in the first few seconds, they're going to click off your video. Your video can be packed with a very powerful message, good information, solving problems. But if you don't hook them in the first few seconds, they're going to move on to someone else. So make sure as soon as they click on that video, you are ready to go, okay? We don't have time for no slow intros. Get straight to it. Because if you don't get straight to it, they're going to click off you and go somewhere else that's getting straight to it. Okay? Don't think because your watch time is low and that your views are low, it's because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? People have very short attention span. Like recently I've noticed a lot of people are watching more shorts than videos. Me too sometimes. I'll watch YouTube shorts because it's quick, it's quick, it's quick. So think about it. When they click on your video, it needs to be quick, quick, quick. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, knowledge is power.